Hey there, I'm live. Sorry, I picked a different time to do this. It's after market close, and the market was kind of wonky today. So rather than go through my portfolio and what the indexes did, I saw some interesting discussions over the weekend about airline stocks, and somebody was looking for thoughts on airline stocks, and my thoughts are not good on airline stocks. So I went through the comment thread, and people seem to like Southwest Airlines. So I thought I'd take a look at Southwest Airlines because it's probably one of the U.S. Airlines that I took a quick flight from Vegas to Burbank, California, for a Big Bang Theory show taping. So it was really my only experience on Southwest Airlines, and it was kind of fun. They have the whole, the whole experience where it's kind of funny and kind of informal. So I like that. Speaking of informal, when I went to the Big Bang Theory taping, I actually it was funny. That was the first time I ever saw a Tesla in real life because John Galecki's car was parked outside the studio in Burbank, California, there, right outside. And towards the end of the taping, we actually got stuck in the man trap with Katie Kulu, or whatever her name is, Penny. So that's my experience with Southwest Airlines as a flyer. Now, as a stockholder, I'm not a stockholder. I'm not going to touch this thing with a 10-foot pole, and I'll show you why. When I do analysis on stocks, I like to use stockcharts.com. Here, let me just move over to this screen. I like to use stockcharts.com. I was using this as a paid service for quite a while. But when I first take a look at a stock, I look at the 200-day moving average, this red line. And Southwest Airlines has been under that since March. And even if you go back farther, like 1 year, it was barely going sideways before the whole COVID thing happened. So right there, to me, as soon as you're below the 200-day moving average, it's all bets are off for me. I'm not touching it. Now earnings are coming up, so that should be fun next week, next Thursday. Be on the lookout for that on the 23rd, before the market open. So that should be interesting. Again, the way this is trading sideways to down, I wouldn't not interested in it. But the other reason I'm not interested is the technicals, the price performance over the long term, down 37%. Down 39% over the last 6 months. I mean, over the last 3 months, it's kind of stabilized, but just too much red. The only thing that's green is in the last 50 days, it's gone up almost to 2%. Not interested, not touching with the 10-foot pole. Usually I trade ETFs, and the ETF for airlines is Jets. I may take a look at that in the next video, but again, it looks like this basically because airlines are not doing good. Not a fan, not a fan. But if there's a stock chart you would like me to check out, let me know, and I'll run it through my analysis. Anyways, until then, I'm still trying to figure out the tech to get a online investment club working. So if you want to join up for that, just sign up on my website. I just have a page there now, but eventually it'll probably be a Facebook group so we can do these streams back and forth, and you can ask questions in real time, or you can just ask questions in real time on my channel when I'm live. I just don't have a set schedule right now. But anyways, I'll talk to you maybe tomorrow.